Did you know that adopting a plant-based diet could slash your risk of chronic diseases by up to 70%? That's right. Just by switching up what's on your plate, you could be making a massive leap towards a healthier, happier life. Hey, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into the life-changing benefits of a plant-based diet. Whether you're already on the plant-powered path or just curious about how a few simple changes could transform your life, stick around because what you're about to hear might just be the game changer you've been looking for. Let's be real for a moment, changing your diet can feel overwhelming. There are so many misconceptions out there. Some people think going plant-based means you have to give up all your favorite foods or that you won't get enough protein. It can be intimidating, right? Plus, where do you even start? The idea of finding new recipes or enjoying different meals can seem like a daunting task. It's easy to feel lost, and that can lead many of us to just stick with what we know, even if it's not the healthiest option. But don't worry, today, we're breaking it all down to make it super simple for you. So, what are the actual benefits of switching to a plant-based diet? Let's start with weight loss. Many people who make the switch find that they naturally shed pounds without much effort because plant-based foods are often lower in calories but packed with nutrients. Then there's energy. Have you ever felt sluggish after a heavy meal? A plant-based diet can help you feel lighter and more energized throughout the day. And here's a big one, reducing the risk of chronic diseases like heart disease, diabetes, and even certain cancers. Imagine feeling more vibrant and alive simply by focusing on fruits, veggies, grains, and legumes. It's not just about what you're cutting out, it's about all the incredible, nutrient-dense foods you're adding in. Here's where it gets interesting. Did you know that making the switch to a plant-based diet doesn't just benefit your body? It can also boost your mood and overall mental well-being. Studies show that people who eat more plants often experience lower levels of stress and anxiety. It's incredible how what you eat can influence not just your physical health, but your mental health too. So, to sum it all up, a plant-based diet offers a treasure trove of health benefits, from shedding those extra pounds and feeling more energized, to reducing your risk of serious diseases and even boosting your mood. It's about transforming your relationship with food and nourishing your body and mind. If you're looking for a way to elevate your health and well-being, this might just be the change you've been waiting for. Now, I want to hear from you. Have you thought about trying a plant-based diet, or maybe you've already started? Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. And if you're curious about taking the next step, make sure to check out the description for some amazing resources to help you on your journey. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more tips on how to live your best, healthiest life. See you next time.